Triple C here. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Joseph.
And welcome back to an episode of the Flying Tiger Build Series.
This is an exciting one.
Yes, after long, and I emphasize the word long, hours that we have pulled for this.
Especially last time. Last episode, when we started, the intro kind of gave away it all. It was,
hey, what's up guys? Triple C here. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Joseph.
And welcome back to an episode of the Flying Tiger Build Series.
It's stressful.
It's been a long day today. It was a doozy. It was a
felt it.
doozy today. It was a doozy that day.
Yeah, it was
but
physically
today-
and mentally draining.
But today, we're going in with a good mindset,
Yes.
knowing that we don't really have much left to do to finalize.
That's it. The Flying Tiger mechanism.
Just enjoy, watch the next time lapse, and hopefully, as long as everything goes well, we'll be doing something else tonight. So,
Yeah.
let's get to it.
Woohoo!
And we're back. Yay!
Wait,
and we
hold
have
on.
an extra special guest.
Liz didn't help us out.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. There she is.
Anyway, no, I'm just kidding. So here we are, going a lot smoother than the last previous episodes, as you can see by our high spirits. So there's not really much that I really can say. I mean, Justin, if you want to say a few words on how the build went.
Smooth. It went really smooth.
Our plan is right now. You can see our jury rigged trailer that is going to hold the air compressor.
And before anyone says anything, I know this sounds shady, but don't
It's
worry,
very
we're going to
shady.
unplug the compressor before we test drive it.
Yeah, exactly.
But everything else is professional. Yeah, that's the way it's going to be.
This is just a mock-up
No,
to get
of
it to
course.
drive. So, just like I said, everything went really smooth. Everything's been going really well.
Did we
And
run into any issues? Not really. man.
not really that I know of, or that we know of, to be honest with
No.
you. I mean, we had to do a quick little modification to that one so it sticks out a little bit more. But regardless, it definitely seems to be a lot better.
And what caused it?
Just the fact that the chain was a little off, and it was
The chain was a little off, but the sprocket is a little out of round, I guess, or out of balance in a sense. We didn't use micrometers to cut
Yes.
these holes.
Correct.
So they might be slightly off, and that's essentially what that's going to mean, to just simplify it, is the chain is going to have hard spots like that, and it's going to have spots where it's like how it is right now.
Exactly.
So this chain will get tighter and looser and tighter and looser. However, it is loose, but it's tight enough to where it's not going to fly.
When we turn you can see when we turn it, it'll start grabbing a little bit more. But
Yes, we don't want to
obviously-
tighten it anymore.
Obviously, with the test drive, we're gonna watch it so we can see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I can ramble on for the next 10 minutes, but I'm excited for the next for what's gonna come next. So look forward to the next episode. It's gonna come out probably next week.
Maybe. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I know it's crazy with the videos, but yeah, you'll see it when it goes up.
Absolutely, but it's gonna be really exciting. So keep a lookout for the next video on what we do. No spoilers. But yeah. So with that, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down in the comment section. Comment down in the comment section down below. What should we comment, Liv?
Let's go Tiger.
Let's go Tiger!
All right.
Comment that down in the comment section down below. And with that, I'm Joseph.
I'm Justin. We will triple C you.
You want to give
And we will triple C and then live. I'm Justin.
And I'm Liz.
And we will
triple
triple see you later. Peace, guys.
Bye.